LEAF makes driving an EV simple as soon as you step inside. Google Built-in is the ultimate operating system for your LEAF, starting with Google Maps. See high-res, detailed mapping just how you like. Move it to the side screen or right in front of you on the digital dash. Get directions right in your line of sight with the head-up display. Need something? Just say, "Hey, Google." Google Assistant can help you find chargers, set the temperature, play music, and more. And when you're ready to charge up, your payment is handled seamlessly with Plug and Charge. Just plug in and go. While you wait, you can pass the time with a variety of entertaining apps from the Google Play Store. And who doesn't like a shortcut? Use EV widgets to quickly find nearby charging stations, precondition your battery for optimal quick charging, and more. You can also schedule climate control to warm up or cool down your LEAF before your next drive. Or charge up outside of peak hours next time you plug in. Set plug-in reminders for work, home, or any saved location so you always know when it's time. Get notifications on low battery level, charging completion, and climate scheduling on the go. To smooth out EV travel even more, Intelligent Route Planner thinks ahead, giving you the quickest, most efficient route with charging breaks along the way. As soon as you set your route, it conditions your battery so charging sessions turn into quick pit stops. You can even see what your battery level will be when you get there, so you're always prepared. Turn LEAF into an on-demand audio hub with SiriusXM with 360L. Get podcasts, live sports, and exclusive content right at your fingertips. It's got an available built-in Wi-Fi hotspot that can stream data for up to 7 devices to help the whole gang stay connected. And here's a feature you won't believe. In case of a blackout, LEAF can be your backup power source. You can plug in your home appliances and track your power consumption here. Mile after mile, LEAF keeps EV life effortless.